So for the first time in a week, I'm finally not working on a 4104. This time I'm working on an Mc7. And it's nice and sunny out today, and it's like a fucking sauna in that bus. It's got all those pretty windows up top. Definitely makes it warm in the sun, but it's pretty. I like the MCIs. I think the MC6 is my favorite, but they're so rare and got those weird parts, weird wheels and stuff. So we're just gonna go through it and check things out. He bought it. He's already drove it a few thousand miles, and it made a couple thousand miles. Can't be all that bad. Not too much oil on the back. I know he's not washed it. No, he just drove it 400 miles this past weekend. Somebody needs to learn how to drive. I'm going to guess that that's a pre-existing condition. I'm going to say he didn't do that, because none of his other buses look like that outside. But it's pretty. It's going to make a nice conversion. Yep, I like it. So I don't have to get greasy until tomorrow though.